Alright guys, it's going to be a step-by-step breakdown on how you should be onboarding clients as an SMMA agency. Now, just for a bit of context, my name is Leo. I'm the owner of Fluxomate, an AI automation agency. We do mainly work with marketing agencies. So since we did start this business, we've kind of seen the insights on a lot of different agencies' onboarding process. So the whole point of this video is kind of select the things that are useful, select the things which you kind of need to structure. And yeah, hopefully it's helpful for you guys. The thing about onboarding is literally the first impression your customer is going to have on you, so you need to make it good. You don't want any delays, you want instant gratification, and the way to do that is by really having a streamlined onboarding process, which is what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to give you a general structure. It's obviously impossible for me to kind of structure this about your exact systems and stuff, but the system I'm going to give you is very malleable to whatever you need it to do, so feel free to change or move some things around depending on your specific kind of system that you have at the moment. Let's get straight into it. So obviously it all starts with a client being signed. This can literally be anything. I mean, a verbal confirmation, an email saying, yes, I'm interested, anything, honestly. It can even be a payment if you want. You just have to move the step after. The first thing you need is an email. Now, the first email should include a couple of things. Firstly, a free bonus. You want to give them an instant win. You know, a lot of people, they have second buyer's remorse. So you kind of want to give them that instant win. Get away any doubts, because it's still going to be a bit shaky, you know. They're still not 100% confirmed on who you are and what you do. So that's why within the first email we give them a free bonus. It can be anything from, I don't know, a free set of viral video hooks, something like that. For example, in our agency, we give away this file that's got a bunch of different ChatGPT prompts that they can start using within the agency. It doesn't have to be anything big, just anything that will kind of settle them a bit more and make them feel a lot more comfortable. Secondly, you need a contract. Now, if you don't already have a contract template, you can literally ask ChatGPT to make you one. But this is very, very important. It will make the lead feel a lot more secure because it just makes you seem a bit more official. And obviously, you need a payment link. So I say payment link because I'm guessing most of you guys are using Stripe. If you're using a bank account, then you can also send just a screenshot of your bank details and where they can wire the money to. As I'm going through this, I've got this little star right here. I'm going to put a star on anything that can be automated. So let's go through the first stage. First email, that can obviously be automated. Free bonus that can be automated in the email, a personalized contract that can also be automated, and a payment link can also be automated. If you guys are interested in any of this, I actually have a guide below that kind of shows you all the different things you can automate your agency. There's actually a form you can fill in that gives you 5 free automation based on your specific business needs, so feel free to check that out. But let's move on. The second phase is payment received. This means you actually getting your first payment. That will then trigger the second email to send. So in the second email, you want to confirm that you got the payment, send over any onboarding instructions. Now this can actually include whatever you want it to. Usually people just send over instructions on how to give access to their Facebook account, TikTok account, Shopify. And the most important thing is you want to link a schedule to a kickoff call. Now if you're not already doing this, this is something you need to do. It really decreases the guard of any new leads coming in. So make sure you schedule a kickoff call where you kind of talk about the next steps and make it very, very clear what's going to happen from here onwards. I'm going to get my little star here and put a sticker on anything that can be automated. Crazy, right? Cool. So the second stage is kind of stuff that happens within your agency. You want to start creating tasks for team members. This can be stuff like start making ads, start writing copy, I don't know, start writing scripts, something like that. And then you want to start adding clients to your systems. So for example, we use Slack for communication. The first thing we do is create a personalized Slack channel for our clients and add them in. If you use GHL, you can do the same there. Notion, whatever it is that you actually use, add the client to your actual system and then begin service delivery. Now guys, I know this isn't the most complicated thing, but I hope this gives you the kind of general structure of everything you should be doing when you onboard the clients. I think the key thing to pay attention to is the free bonus here. You can incorporate this within any step to just give your client as much upfront value as possible and kind of reinforce the decision that they made with you. Like I said, onboarding is literally the first impression your clients have of you, so you need to make it something memorable. I guarantee if you improve your onboarding process, decrease any delays, and provide a better upfront service to your client, you're going to increase your referral rate and also decrease people taking you up on a money back guarantee. If you're unsure about any of these steps, literally just go to ChatGPT, ask how do I do this. For example here, what should I include over the onboarding instructions? In terms of automations, if you want to get started with automations, I suggest having a really clear process of everything you need to do. This is something I go over more in this video, but just as a quick summary, firstly write down all of the different processes within your onboarding process, and then for each one of those write a step-by-step guide with everything that you actually do. Then use those step-by-step guides to actually begin automating. This will make your life a lot easier, so you won't be guessing what the automations need to do basically. But yeah guys, that's it for me today. Really a short video. Just wanted to make this because I've been getting a lot of questions on how you should be onboarding clients, and from what I've seen from one of my different clients, is the best way to do it. Now there are different variations to this. For example, some people get the payment first and then they go from there. Some people sign the contract first and then trigger the rest of this. It really just depends on different processes in the agency. This is just a template. Feel free to move it around and kind of structure it based on your specific services. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We release weekly content completely for free on how you can start using automations in your agency. That's it from me today, guys. Check out all the free resources we have in the description, and I'll see you soon.